Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on PCLN, NVDA, Tesla, Netflix, and CMG. So the PCLN bulls still continuing slow and steady with higher lows and higher highs. We are looking for a temporary top of this bounce in the near-term future. We'll see if the bulls can get over 1748 and start filling this gap. We're looking for a bearish reversal candlestick and a loss of the higher low pattern that will indicate that the top of this move is done for now. So the bulls have been bouncing at this point for about 7 days. The weekly time frame is an inside bar favoring the bulls heading into next week. But we'll have to see how tomorrow goes, because we did see some weakness at this exponential resistance today. And if we see a break tomorrow of 1727, that's going to be the start of some pullback, in my opinion. NVDA still holding on for the bulls. We did see some profit taking today. We now have our high. Our higher low is 207.80, and we're looking to see if the bulls can hold 207.80 and still be looking up at the all-time high. Pretty surprising we didn't see more strength today with the all-time high approach by the market. The bulls got real close to that all-time high and didn't see that strength in NVDA like we normally would have anticipated. And seeing an inside bar on the weekly time frame showing healthy consolidation. So might need to trade sideways for a while on NVDA. Certainly still favoring the bulls as long as this daily middle Bollinger Band holds, and just taking a breather. Tesla on the daily is rejecting from the middle Bollinger Band and closing fairly weak. We've got that truck event tonight. Unless it's going to blow people away, we were pricing in some of that action over the last few days. So we'll see if it's a sell the news event. We've got resistance at 318.14 and the middle Bollinger Band, and support is 301.50. The weekly time frame for Tesla keeps holding this weekly middle ball, or the weekly 50-week support, and battling the exponential resistances. We'll see which breaks first. As of right now, if we see red tomorrow, we will be looking at a weekly close and the potential of a bear flag. Netflix on the daily time frame, that middle Bollinger Band. So the middle Bollinger Band held as support 6 times. It's now back tested and rejected 3 times. We're still in a channel between 50-day support and middle Bollinger Band resistance. We had a clear, strong breakout and then a lot of profit taking. So it's support of 191.08 and resistance of 196, and those levels are going to converge tomorrow. Need to update them. Weekly time frame, healthy trading, bit of a bull flag of consolidation still. No red flags at this point unless we lose the 50-day and see further downside and another lower low. That would be the red flag for the bulls, but at this point, bulls are holding on fine, keeping that 50-day support. CMG is also a bearish reversal candlestick and closing near the low of the day. If we see a break of 283.16 and follow through with another red day tomorrow, that will indicate that our new lower high is in at 289.25. The weekly time frame is rejecting from exponential resistance. It was a short-term oversold bounce. The bears have control of the daily and the weekly trend, so we have to keep that in mind and watch to see if that is it for the bulls in terms of giving up their momentum and giving the bears back control. So watching all these names into tomorrow, the strongest name that I'm looking at is really NVDA, although it's not even that strong. Just the overall trend and near those all-time highs is keeping it strong. Netflix over the middle Bollinger Band will begin to regain strength as the tech sector is strong, and the weekly chart is holding up just fine for Netflix. But Tesla, PCLN, and CMG do have downtrends because of their earnings reaction. So we have to be cautious looking bullish on these names because the daily chart is lower highs and lower lows. We'll check back in over the weekend, and I will see you then.